This is Theo here, and welcome back to Lesson 2 here on Free Code Camp Responsible Web Design Certification, CSS Flexbox. So today will be lesson 6 to 10. First one is apply the flex direction property to create a column. So we're going to add the CSS property flex direction to the header's profile name. And we're going to say flex direction and column, just to see what that is, what we're actually looking at. You can see that it's this, right? So without that, it doesn't wrap. Cool. Let's go ahead and run that. And we're good to go. Number 2, using the justify content. So you can read about this, but basically justify content allows us to specify where our content would be placed inside of this division. And there's different ones. Flex starts to the start, very intuitive, flex end to the end. Space between, basically having elements sort of be spaced out evenly, and space around is, I think, a little bit further around. These I always get a little confused on, but so the box container should have a justify content, and we're going to say center. This will basically just move these into the center, so these will center them horizontally. Okay, good to go. Number 3, using the justify content property in the tweet embed, add the CSS property justify content to the profile name. Set the value to any of the options. We're just going to center again. And that should just bring it into the center right there. And we can try some other ones. We can do flex end. Right, so again, we can sort of see it's bringing it down here. We can do flex start, bring it up to the top, so you can see basically what changes. Okay, good to go. Number 4, using the align items. So it's similar to justify content, but aligns flex items along the cross axis for a row. It tells CSS to push the items in the entire row up or down within the container. So the same sort of properties right here as a few other stretch and baseline. Let's go ahead and try it out. Add the CSS property align items to box container. So we'll say align items. We'll say center, and this should bring the text and everything and all the containers into there. So we're going to say flex start, maybe. We'll go with that, and we'll just see what that does. Flex end. So we can sort of experiment what's going on right there. We could do stretch. So, cool. And I think if we do stretch, and if we do justify content right here, center, something like this, right? It's not going to do anything, but just sort of experimenting. Okay, so we'll do center here. Go ahead and run these tests. Good to go. Finally, number 5, using the align item properties in the tweet embed. So add the CSS property align items to the follow button. So let's find the follow button. It will say align items. We'll say center. And we can sort of see, let's just do this real quick. We see what we're looking at. And I guess it's kind of hard to see, huh? It like went off the screen somewhere, but yeah, it's somewhere in there. So that's it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Next one we'll be going on to using the flex property to wrap a row or a column. I got a few more lessons on this. We'll be doing CSS grid and then responsive web designs projects. So these will be a little bit longer videos, and then we'll get moving on to JavaScript. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to look in the description box for videos or for the courses I recommend on JavaScript React. If you do buy it or do get a cut, support the channel if you're interested, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.